One thing that I hate about flying my drone in cold weather is how cold my hands get. But let me show you something that I just got. When companies reach out to me with products that they want me to review and to share on this channel, a lot of times I turn them down. And recently a company offered to send me some of their phone cases as well as some touchscreen gloves to review. I almost turned them down, but then I thought, you know what? I could use these touchscreen gloves for drone flying. These Mujo touchscreen gloves are great for cold weather because they're windproof and they're insulated with something called Thinsulate made by 3M. And Thinsulate is very popular with cold weather products because it's very warm, yet it's thin and lightweight, which is perfect for these gloves. Now, I've tried touchscreen gloves in the past with horrible results and I never could really use them. But these are unrestricted touchscreen gloves, meaning you can use the whole hand. You're not limited to just the fingertips, but the palm, the knuckles, it all works. Oh yeah, they also have these anti-slip silicone grip lines on parts of the gloves that give you a better grip on the phone or whatever you're holding. And these work with any capacitive touchscreen. I do have to say that I requested the extra large size because I simply have fat hands. But the fingers are a little bit long, so I just kind of pull the fingers tight and then they work perfectly fine. But they do have a sizing chart available and I would recommend you look at it because after looking at it, I probably could have ordered in large and it would have been a little bit better fit. These gloves are actually a stretch knit fleece fabric that stretches in 4 directions, so they form to your hand very well and are very comfortable. I'm also a fan of this high cuff, this long cuff. If you were wearing a coat or a long sleeve shirt, this pretty much gives you complete coverage. They're not a cheap, low quality product. You can tell from the very minute that you open these up, they are a high quality product. And the branding on them is very minimal. You probably really can't see it until you look real close. There's a little black embroidered logo right on the cuff. I took them out for a test run and I loved the way they felt and performed. They definitely make flying a drone or texting or doing anything else on your smartphone a lot easier when it's cold outside. Baby, it's cold outside. If you want to see me test out some more tech-related products, then consider hitting that subscribe button. When you do, tap the little bell icon next to it. That way you won't miss anything. Thanks to Mujo for sending these awesome gloves. Check them out in the link in the description below this video. Be watching to find out my thoughts on their leather phone cases coming soon. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. And until next time, God bless.